Hello, it's Gary Moore with Moore Studio here. And severe weather season is coming up, so I will be making tons of videos on that. But this video will be comparing classic EAS versus modern EAS. For the classic EAS, I have a M-Fine L-938B AM radio MP3 player, wired amplifier speaker. And for the modern section, I have my TAL Mini modern Bluetooth speaker. Enough ramble. Let's get into the section of the video you've been waiting for. Here we go. The classic EAS, also called SAME.
Moore Studio has issued a practice demo alert for the following areas: Hudson Hills until 5:30 p.m. This is only a test. Don't take action based on this alert. End of message.
Last try. Here's the modern WEA emergency alert system.
Hudson Hills, Tennessee, alerts, practice demo, 5:28 p.m. to 5:50 p.m. Moore Studio has issued a practice demo alert for the following areas: Hudson Hills, until 5:50 p.m. This is only a test. Don't take action based on this alert. End of message.
And that's the modern alert system. WEA means Wheelock Emergency Alert.